Welcome back. Let's look at the two last boxes on the menu ribbon. First of all, we'll look at the options box. On top, you'll find the drop-down menu Language. This allows you to set your desired language. After downloading, it should already be in the correct language related to your region, but you would have the option to change it here. You'll notice that the program is asking you for a restart after you have changed this setting. Just below the language section, you'll find product information. This is a really interesting option. HiSelect will keep all the datasheets in a separate folder updated at each moment. The product documentation language on top is a choice for the datasheets you will find in the software itself. The other checkboxes are for the leaflets you will find in the separate folder. And don't worry, I will lead you to the folder in just a second. So simply check all the languages you want to keep updated. Just remember that each language will need around 100 megabytes of free disk space. Okay, let's navigate to the folder. Go to your Documents folder on your computer. The one on your computer's hard drive, so not the shared one like in OneDrive if you would have one. In there you will find a HiSelect folder. In the HiSelect folder you'll find Doc, D-O-C. Click this one open and you will find all the languages you just selected. And to find it even more simply, you can create a shortcut on your Start menu. You're welcome. Now, while we are here, I want to show you another folder that could be useful during project calculations. It is the Autosave Recovery folder. This is a folder where HiSelect will create autosave files. Imagine your laptop crashes while creating a big project. In this folder, you will find your backup if you would have forgotten to save periodically. You're welcome again. You could deselect the tick box autosave if you think this is not necessary, but believe me, it is. The last option in the options box is the user references. This is most useful for printouts of project calculations, etc. These informations will create a neat header on the different printouts to guarantee a professional looking output. But more about this in the section Outputs. Let's now look at the information box. The first option is the user manual. By clicking the button, you will be guided to the web page where the user manual is located. For now, as you see, only in English. But the manual is showing all information properly structured. When clicking the Release Note button, a pop-up appears with all the information of latest updates. This could be of use for checking if a specific bug you or a customer encountered was resolved, for example. The tip of the day shows you a useful hint on different related topics. And here you can check or uncheck to show these at startup or not. And finally, we'll go to the About HiSelect button. The pop-up will show you all information about your specific HiSelect version and will guide you to the license. This could be useful in the case you find a bug in software, for example. Then it is helpful for our colleagues at ER&D that you provide them with this information. Well, with this, we have seen a lot of information about setting up HiSelect for making product selections. I think we are ready now to start selecting. In the next video, we will look at simple product selection in general. And please, as homework, set your user references and look for the folders for datasheets and autosave recovery. Good luck and see you soon!